Right now, we're seeing a notable shift in economic sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.11 and a momentum of plus 0.64 over the past 24 hours. This spike isn't just noise. It's a significant deviation from the historical baseline, indicating a growing optimism that we haven't seen in recent weeks. With the API, you get real-time updates on sentiment, momentum, and insights categorized into 18 semantic clusters, all designed to enhance your economic analysis. Imagine using this data for predictive analytics in your investment strategies, adjusting your models based on the latest sentiment shifts. For more details on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.